Thank you for tuning in. We are continuing our journey in southwestern Ontario, and today we are in beautiful Niagara on the Lake.
Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos on our journey of southwestern Ontario.
In this video, we're talking about why Niagara on the Lake is not only a great place to visit, but to live. Welcome back as we continue our journey through the Southwest. I'm Mary Morello.
And I'm Dodie McDonald, and we're with Home and Condo Market Brokerage. Here we find ourselves in the lovely destination, historic Niagara on the Lake, home of Ontario's wine country.
This amazing location is located only an hour and a half from the GTA, 20 minutes into Niagara Falls, and minutes to all the most amazing wineries you can imagine. We're in Old Town, where you will find dozens of quaint shops. Foodies will love it here. Wineries galore. This is just an awesome place you'll definitely want to visit.
Most people find Niagara on the Lake as a tourist destination. However, more and more young families are migrating from the big city to come out to this area. You'll find amazing schools, education retreats, and many lovely parks and neighborhoods all tucked in on these side streets off of the historic Old Town. Why not live where people choose to vacation? You can enjoy this lifestyle all year long.
It is a lifestyle you've always dreamed of. I mean, walk out to the most amazing shops and restaurants, the beaches, the pathways. Everything here is absolutely gorgeous. Imagine living here, working from home, and needing a little bit of a pause and coming out to this. It's just truly magnificent. And you can afford this lifestyle, and we can show you how.
You don't need to be a wine aficionado to enjoy Niagara on the Lake. People travel from all over the world to come and explore the experience of the Shaw Festival, the Niagara Grape and Wine Festival. We're one of the only countries in the world that produce ice wine.
That's right, Dodie. And if you want to know more information about Niagara on the Lake or any of the places we visited in southwestern Ontario, watch our videos. We've got a fabulous playlist. You can just click on the screen here and see all of our wonderful videos that we have done. And you can also subscribe to our channel or contact us. The information you need is in the description box below. So contact us. Don't waste any time. There's no better time than now.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.